Ready to take your driving experience to the next level? Today, we're checking out the top 21 genius car gadgets on Amazon. From futuristic tech to clever accessories that upgrade your ride instantly, these gadgets make every trip smarter, safer, and more fun. Stick around until the very end. You'll discover unique finds that transform your car into the ultimate driving machine. Let's dive in and explore. Number 1. BESTEK 300-watt car power inverter. Power your devices on the road with the BESTEK 300-watt car power inverter. Charge laptops, tablets, phones, and small electronics safely and efficiently while traveling. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for road trips, work commutes, or emergencies. Say goodbye to dead devices and enjoy uninterrupted productivity or entertainment. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, this gadget keeps you connected wherever you go. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Number 2. Neater Pet Brands Auto Detailing Tool. Keep your car spotless with the Neater Pet Brands Auto Detailing Tool. Remove pet hair, dirt, crumbs, and debris effortlessly from seats, carpets, and mats. Perfect for pet owners, parents, or anyone tired of messy interiors, it saves time and energy while keeping your vehicle fresh. Durable, ergonomic, and easy to use, it's a smart investment for a cleaner car. Limited time availability won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 3. CarPass steering wheel cover and floor mats. Upgrade your car's interior with the CarPass steering wheel cover and floor mats. Protect surfaces from wear, dirt, and spills while adding style and comfort. Perfect for daily commuters, families, or road trip enthusiasts, it enhances grip, safety, and aesthetics. Easy to install and durable, these accessories bring a professional, clean look to any vehicle. Don't wait, limited time deals move fast. Click the links in the description and secure yours today. Number 4. Gurduenon Universal Car Tire Jack Toolkit. Be prepared for emergencies with the Gurduenon Universal Car Tire Jack Toolkit. Lift, change, and maintain your tires safely with this durable, compact kit. Perfect for road trips, commuters, and anyone who wants peace of mind on the road, it ensures you're never stuck unprepared. Strong, easy to use, and portable, it's a must-have for every vehicle. Limited time offers won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Number 5. DUWAI Backseat Car Organizer. Transform your backseat into a tidy, organized space with the DUWAI Backseat Car Organizer. Hold tablets, snacks, water bottles, and toys while keeping your passengers happy and clutter-free. Perfect for families, road trips, or rideshare drivers, it keeps everything accessible and in place. Durable, stylish, and easy to install, it's a smart upgrade for comfort and convenience. Limited time deals are going fast. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 6. LITTLEMOLE Car Clothes Hanger Bar. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free on the go with the LITTLEMOLE Car Clothes Hanger Bar. Easily hang jackets, shirts, or suits in the back seat for business trips, commuting, or travel. Sturdy, adjustable, and easy to install, it maximizes space while keeping garments neat. Perfect for professionals, families, or anyone who cares about organized rides, it's a practical, space-saving gadget. Limited time offers won't last. Click the links in the description and secure yours now. Number 7. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Ensure safety and performance with the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Quickly check your tire pressure with accuracy, preventing uneven wear and improving fuel efficiency. Compact, easy to use, and reliable, it's perfect for daily drivers, road trippers, and anyone who wants peace of mind on the road. Lightweight and durable, this small gadget has a big impact. Deals like this move fast. Click the links in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Number 8. Gescintric Car Steering Wheel Knob. Upgrade maneuverability with the Gescintric Car Steering Wheel Knob. Make sharp turns, parking, and tight spaces effortless while improving control and comfort. Perfect for delivery drivers, RV owners, or anyone who wants smoother handling, it's durable and easy to install. Compact and functional, it transforms your driving experience instantly. Limited time availability won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 9. Fortress Car Interior Wipes for Cleaning. Keep your car spotless in seconds with Fortress Car Interior Wipes for Cleaning. Wipe down dashboards, vents, consoles, and surfaces effortlessly, removing dust, dirt, and grime. Perfect for busy drivers, families, or anyone who loves a clean ride, these wipes save time while maintaining a polished interior. Convenient, durable, and effective, they're a must-have for any vehicle. Deals don't last forever. Click the links in the description and grab yours now. Number 10. Dapucarin Car Headrest Neck Pillow. Travel in comfort with the Dapucarin Car Headrest Neck Pillow. Ergonomic and soft, it reduces neck strain on long drives or daily commutes. Perfect for drivers, passengers, or road trippers, it supports restful journeys and adds a cozy touch to your car interior. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, it's a small upgrade with huge comfort benefits. Limited time offers are going fast. Click the links in the description and secure yours today. Number 11. YONZEE Car Steering Wheel Desk Tray. Make your car a mobile workstation with the YONZEE Car Steering Wheel Desk Tray. Perfect for eating, writing, or working while parked, it keeps items stable and organized. Durable and easy to install, it's ideal for commuters, delivery drivers, or travelers who want convenience on the go. Compact, sturdy, and practical, it transforms your car into a functional space instantly. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 12. ZATOOTO Blackout Car Divider Curtain. Upgrade your vehicle's privacy and comfort with the ZATOOTO Blackout Car Divider Curtain. Perfect for vans, taxis, or rideshare drivers, it blocks sunlight, reduces glare, and creates a private space inside your car. Durable, stylish, and easy to install, it adds convenience and a cozy atmosphere for passengers. Ideal for long trips or professional use, it enhances your driving experience instantly. Limited time offers move fast. Click the links in the description and secure yours now. Number 13. Glare Guard Gray Polarized Car Visor. Protect your eyes and drive more safely with the Glare Guard Gray Polarized Car Visor. Reduce sunlight glare and improve visibility on bright days or during harsh weather. Perfect for commuters, road trippers, or anyone tired of squinting behind the wheel, it's adjustable, durable, and easy to use. Comfortable and practical, it makes driving safer while reducing eye strain. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 14. Talu LED Side Marker Clearance Lights. Enhance vehicle visibility and safety with Talu LED Side Marker Clearance Lights. Bright, energy-efficient LEDs make your car more noticeable at night or in low-light conditions. Perfect for trucks, trailers, or personal vehicles, they're durable and easy to install. These lights not only improve safety, but also add a modern, stylish touch. Compact, long-lasting, and effective, they're a smart upgrade for any ride. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and secure yours now. Number 15. Trione Headrest Tablet Holder Mount. Entertain passengers on long trips with the Trione Headrest Tablet Holder Mount. Securely holds tablets for watching movies, playing games, or video calls, keeping screens stable and accessible. Perfect for families, rideshare drivers, or travelers, it reduces clutter while providing hands-free entertainment. Adjustable, durable, and easy to install, it enhances every ride instantly. Compact and functional, it's a must-have gadget for stress-free travel. Limited time offers won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 16. Tray Clicks Window Tint Tools Kit for Car. Install or adjust car window tints like a pro with the Tray Clicks Window Tint Tools Kit. Includes all essential tools for smooth professional results on any vehicle. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, car detailers, or anyone upgrading their car's appearance, it saves time and prevents mistakes. Durable, versatile, and easy to use, it's a practical gadget for flawless tinting. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and secure yours today. Number 17. EvaVic Smart Car Air Freshener. Keep your car smelling fresh and inviting with the EvaVic Smart Car Air Freshener. Automatic scent release and adjustable settings maintain a clean, pleasant environment without manual effort. Perfect for daily commuters, families, or rideshare drivers, it ensures your vehicle always feels welcoming. Compact, stylish, and convenient, it's a small gadget with a big impact on comfort and ambiance. Limited time offers won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 18. Coverado Lumbar Car Headrest Pillow. Drive in comfort with the Coverado Lumbar Car Headrest Pillow. Ergonomically designed to reduce neck and back strain during long trips or daily commutes. Perfect for drivers, passengers, or road trippers, it enhances posture and provides lasting support. Durable, soft, and easy to install, it transforms your ride into a more comfortable experience instantly. Limited time deals move fast. Click the links in the description and secure yours today. Number 19. Gyota Car Armrest Box Adjustable. Organize your essentials and increase comfort with the Gyota Car Armrest Box Adjustable. Holds phones, wallets, coins, and more while providing a cushioned armrest. Perfect for daily drivers, families, or rideshare vehicles. It reduces clutter and improves ergonomics. Adjustable, durable, and easy to install, it's a practical upgrade for any car interior. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Number 20. Hawkbang 18-in-1 Car Safety Hammer. Stay prepared for emergencies with the Hawkbang 18-in-1 Car Safety Hammer. Break windows, cut seat belts, and access survival tools instantly when needed. Perfect for families, commuters, and anyone who prioritizes safety, it's compact, durable, and reliable. Essential for roadside emergencies or peace of mind on every trip, this gadget can make a real difference. Limited time stock won't last. Click the links in the description and secure yours today. Number 21. GoVee Underglow Smart Car Lights. Transform your car with GoVee Underglow Smart Car Lights. Customize colors, patterns, and brightness to create a bold, eye-catching look for night drives or car shows. Perfect for enthusiasts, weekend cruisers, or anyone who wants a standout vehicle, these lights are easy to install and control via app. Durable, vibrant, and energy efficient, they instantly upgrade your car's style. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description and grab yours today. Thanks for watching. If any of these genius car gadgets caught your eye, don't wait. Limited time deals won't last. Click the links in the description, upgrade your ride, and make every drive safer and more fun today.